If you've ever opened Steam and been greeted by a startup news pop-up or a what's new screen that feels like an ad, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Steam startup ads or news pop-ups in just a few clicks. This is a simple setting change, it's completely free, and it makes Steam feel a lot cleaner every time you launch it. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on Steam. If you're using the newer layout, you may also see a gear icon in the top right area, and either way will take you to the settings you need. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This is where Steam keeps all of the options for your account, interface, downloads, and notifications. Now that you're in the settings window, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Interface. This section controls the way Steam looks and behaves when it opens, and it's also where the startup news pop-up setting is hidden. Take your time here, because it's easy to miss if you're not looking carefully. Once you're in Interface, scroll down through the options until you find the notifications or news-related setting. The option you're looking for usually reads something like, notify me about additions or changes to my games, new releases, and upcoming releases. This is the setting that causes Steam to show you the startup news or promotional content when the app launches. To turn it off, simply uncheck the box or toggle it off. Once that setting is disabled, Steam will no longer show that news window every time you start the app. After you've turned it off, you can just close the settings window. There's no need to restart your computer or do anything complicated. The change should apply the next time you open Steam. So the next time you launch it, you should notice that the What's New splash screen is gone and Steam will open much more cleanly. If you don't see the setting right away, just double check that you're in the interface section and scroll slowly through the list. Steam sometimes moves options around depending on updates, but the general setting name usually stays the same. And if you ever want those news pop-ups back, you can always return to the same menu and turn the option back on. So that's the easiest way to disable startup ads on Steam and stop the news pop-ups from appearing when the app starts. It only takes a moment, but it makes a big difference if you want a more streamlined experience. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out more simple fix videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.